Okay, problem 1b, same idea as 1a. We want to solve this system using substitution. So again, looking at these two equations we have, the first one, 4x minus y equals 5, and the second one, x plus y equals 10. The second one is going to be much simpler for us to solve for one of those variables because they both just have a coefficient of 1. So let's just say, we want to solve. That was weird. Okay, we want to solve this equation, that bottom equation, for one of our variables, either x or y. It doesn't make a difference which one you solve for. You can get the right answer both ways. But again, I think we have an opportunity here to make ourselves less work. If you look at this equation up here, 4x minus y equals 5, if I solve this bottom equation for x, I'm going to plug in for x right there, and then I'm going to have to distribute that 4. Whereas if I solve this bottom equation for y, I'm just going to be plugging in right there and just subtracting everything, and you don't have to multiply anything by 4. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to solve that bottom equation for y. So to do that, all I have to do is subtract x from both sides, and I get y equals 10 minus x. And now I'm going to take that expression, 10 minus x, and I'm going to plug it in, substitute it, if you will, into the other equation. So let's start going with that. For x minus y, well, y is 10 minus x, close my parentheses, equals 5. So let's then distribute that negative sign, which is basically saying, looking inside those parentheses, I need to change the sign on both of those. So I'm going to get 4x minus 10 plus x equals 5. Combine like terms, 5x minus 10 equals 5. Add 10 to both sides. 5x equals 10 plus 5 is 15. And finally, divide by 5 on both sides. X equals 15 divided by 5 is 3. Now that we found one of our values, we substitute back into another one of our equations, whichever one is going to require the fewest steps, and I'm going to put that right there into that equation because that, again, is already in terms of y, so I'm saving myself work. Y equals 10 minus x, and x is 3, so y equals 7. And again, we're going to write our final answer as an ordered pair. X goes first, so we have 3, 7, and we are finished with problem 1b.